What's up, guys? I'm in another restaurant here in Shenzhen. This is the second one we're at, and it's a famous Hakka style restaurant. We come here to eat almost every time I come here. I hope you guys enjoy this meal with me. Bean sprouts and chili oil and salted peanuts are a very common appetizer in southern Chinese cuisine. And we always get some of these peanuts.
Okay,
Just get a big bite. Perfectly steamed and then salted. And then this wonderful, slightly spicy bean sprout. Fresh, crispy, crunchy, mildly spicy, refreshing. Next, we had some slimy okra and a rare Hakka mung bean noodle dish, similar to Korean japchae. Oh, it's got some wood ears, liver, bean threads, chopped scallions, stomachs, pickled vegetable. But what is this vegetable? Is it a fern?
No.
Okay, but doesn't matter. What matters is that it tastes very good. And I'm gonna give it a try. I haven't tried this one before. Somewhat chewy. Bouncy noodle. Slightly sour. It's tart from the preserved vegetable. I think it'll taste even better with like a full bite. It's a great mix of textures. Crunchy, bouncy noodles, the crunchy pickled vegetable, creamy liver. Just wonderful. Salty, sour. Oh, we got this drink right here. What is this drink called?
Mung bean lotus seed.
Mung bean lotus seed? Huh? Okay. Hold still. Okay. Yeah, this is this drink. It looks kind of like weird, like sink water, but what it is a very creamy, tasty drink made of mung beans and lotus seed. So it's slightly sweet. It's cooling for you. Very cooling, right? Cooling. Ganbei. Careful, it's hot. It's not a clear fluid, right? Next, we tried our classic plain old-fashioned boiled chicken. Simple but tasty. It's like a super yellow chicken. Must be free range. A little soy sauce on there. I'm going to give it a try now. Most tender chicken ever, but it's just like any other chicken here in China. They always do a good job. It's wonderful. Durian crepe. It's fried, crunchy. You hear that crispiness? Give it a try.
以前我那种客家餐对，我今年回去过年也是我第一次回老家过年，我以前都没在老家。
Sweet, crunchy, fried, doughy. Absolutely no weird smell. Perfect flavor. Very balanced. Kind of tastes like a bolo bao, but in crepe form. Later on, we went to Shenzhen's Huacheng Electronic Market, and we had some dinner as well. And that evening, we also got to listen to Dr. Long sing some karaoke. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and you get to see what happens next. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed.